everyone, it's Gem. Welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my super defined wash and go by using like three products, and it works for me. So let's get right into it. I'm splitting my hair in two, and then I'm going to go in and split it in two again because we're working in sections. I have on a t-shirt just because I don't like when all the product gets on my back. I don't like that. I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm wetting my hair. I'm not going to do it to the point where it's like soaking wet. No, I'm doing it to the point it's damp. I'm going in with my keratin and green tea restructurizer from Afro-G. It helps to strengthen, build body, protects color and chemical surfaces. And then I'm going to go in with a lot of body, moisturize me, curl and style milk. My hair loves this stuff. With these two products and the water, my hair curls up. My hair loves this stuff, so I live by this. I will die by this. Okay, maybe not die. Maybe that was a little bit too much, but you get the point. Like, look at my hair. No, like, seriously. Stop. Look at my hair. And look at the curls. Look at that. And I'm doing this on washed hair, by the way. I detangled in the shower. And look at that. Look at it. But now I'm taking my Old Faithful Eco Styler Gel. And I'm going to split my hair into some sections. And I'm going to apply a good amount. Do not be afraid of this gel. I mean, it's not going to do you nothing. Well, to me at least. And I'm going to put it all in my roots. I get a lot of volume in my roots. A lot of puffiness. I don't like that. So I'm going to put a good much of this to my roots, and I'm going to drag it to the ends. This is what defines my wash and go for me. This gel defines it. And you can do how much ever you want to do. This is just my personal preference. This is what I choose to put and how much I choose to put on my hair. You can totally do whatever you want to do, but this is what works for me. And I'm just gonna rake that through my hair, define those curls, and it almost has a shingling effect on its own. I don't go through individually, but you can see, right? All right. So I'm just gonna repeat the steps on the front of my hair. I'm gonna do the spray bottle with the water, rehydrate the hair. Then I'm gonna go in with the restructurizer. Then I'm gonna go in with the styling milk, and then I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler to my roots. I take product as needed, especially to the front of my hair. I have a lot of shorter pieces, so I take product as needed, and I start to scrunch. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Showing you the curls before and after I scrunch. But if you can see any like residue, like white residue, that's fine. It'll go away once it dries. And here I'm scrunching. Scrunch to save your life, sis. Like, scrunch your life away. Look at those curls. Beautiful. I get so excited when I do my hair like this because, like, my natural hair journey has been just beautiful, and seeing my hair curl up like this is just 7,000 chef kisses. Seriously. So just gonna scrunch, and you know, I mean, like I said, add product as needed, but it's all up to you, like I said, and how you like it. I love to do my hair like this, giving you a view of how the curls are turning out. Yes. Y'all. My hair is pretty long though, but I'm scrunching and never gonna stop scrunching. Like, I'm gonna scrunch my life away. I'm gonna scrunch till the day I die. Now I'm gonna do my also infamous, famous side part. I like to wear my hair in the side part. Just beautiful. More gel. Yes, more gel. I'm adding more product as I go throughout my hair, making sure that every single curl has product on it and that it will stay in place where I want it to be, just how I want it. It's just beautiful. And I know I keep going back in for product. I know this is just what I like to do to my hair. This is just awesome. And then I'm gonna go in into my edges, and my sideburns. I like to do my little swoopty swoops. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, like I'm blushing over myself in the video. It's so nice. But I'd like to hear what you guys do to your hair and the products you use. You can put it down in the description bar below. Tell me what it is you use, and tell me what it is you like to do with your wash and goes. Just beautiful. Like, just beautiful. Like, I love my hair. Like, I like the wet hair look, but when it dries, and then the second and third and fourth day, just beautiful. I can't stop saying it because it's just gonna be just so pretty. Like, I can see it now. Yes, look at those curls, so defined and juicy and delicious. But my hair is so long and pretty. I love when I do my hair like this. This is the end results, guys. This is my hair 60 to 70% dry. And for this look, I will have it linked down in the description if you guys want to see how I did it. But I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.